What's up guys, it's DJ coming back at you with another video. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how to move your scene selection over to another computer. If you're like me and you built another computer or got another computer and you want to avoid having to make all of your presets, this video should help you out a little bit. Okay, the first thing you want to do is when you come in, you want to save your scenes. So when you come to the scene selection, at the top of OBS, you go up to scene selection and you go to export. Hit the export button, export the scene selection, name it whatever you want. Like for me, I'm gonna just name it DJ. Let's get it here. Just gonna name it DJ. And I'm gonna just DJ scene selection. We'll just go with that scene. I can't type here. DJ scene selection. And we save it. And it's like a GSON file. And then save it. So I'm saving it in my quick access. So I'm just gonna save it on my desktop for the most part. Bam. And then afterwards, you kind of to here. And so I have here I have DJ scene selection here. So what I would do after that is since you know where it's at, you go to scene selection again and then you import. Then you go to scene selection, you pick the one that you want, scene selection, open, import it. Now when you go to scene selection, there it is right there. That's the one you want. And then you can kind of come in and then rename them. So the thing that I do is I'll just name a scene. If you guys want to change the name for this, just go back to rename, pick the one that you want to rename and then just name it. And I'm gonna name mine DJ. And then that's the one for my DJ Got a Book. That's the one for my gaming channel. And then if I have another setup, I can name it and then name it for my other channels that I have. Like if you have other streams that you're doing, other kind of things that you want to make social media for, you can kind of change the template for the actual name and kind of customize it to whatever your liking is. So that's it. I hope this information helps you guys out. This is DJ checking out. If you think the video has been helpful for you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.